Are you ready to unlock new opportunities with Meta AI? Welcome to Empowered Finance. Today we're exploring how you can make money using Meta AI in 2024. From developing AI-driven products to leveraging Meta's AI tools, we cover innovative strategies to boost your financial success. Let's dive in. First up, developing AI-driven products using Meta AI. Meta provides powerful AI tools and frameworks that you can use to create innovative solutions like chatbots, recommendation systems, and automation tools. You can monetize these products through subscriptions, licensing, or direct sales. Next, utilize Meta AI for business automation. Meta's AI tools can help you automate tasks such as customer service, data analysis, and marketing. This not only saves time but also improves efficiency, allowing you to focus on growing your business and increasing revenue. Creating AI-powered content can also be a lucrative venture. Use Meta AI to generate high-quality articles, videos, music, or art. Monetize this content through platforms like YouTube, blogs, or online marketplaces. Meta's advanced AI algorithms can help you create engaging and original content efficiently. Leverage Meta AI for digital marketing. Meta's AI tools can analyze consumer behavior, optimize ad campaigns, and personalize customer interactions. This leads to higher conversion rates and increased revenue. By understanding and predicting customer needs, you can create more effective marketing strategies. Investing in Meta AI stocks and technologies is another way to make money. Meta is heavily investing in AI, and its advancements can lead to significant growth. By investing in Meta and related AI technologies, you can benefit from the rise of AI-driven innovations. Develop and sell AI courses and tutorials. Educate others about Meta AI technologies and their applications. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera allow you to create and sell your courses, providing a steady stream of income while sharing your knowledge. Use Meta AI for app development. Create innovative applications that leverage AI to solve specific problems or improve user experience. Monetize these apps through sales, subscriptions, or in-app purchases. Meta's AI tools can help you build smarter, more efficient applications. Finally, explore AI-powered affiliate marketing. Use Meta AI to identify profitable niches, automate content creation, and optimize your affiliate marketing strategies. This can help you generate passive income with minimal effort. By implementing these strategies, you can start making money and stay ahead in the rapidly evolving tech landscape. Which Meta AI strategy will you try first? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money and managing your finances. See you next time on Empowered Finance.